Welcome to our latest video on how to view all the shared photos on Snapchat Chat. In today's tutorial, we will guide you through the steps to easily access all the photos shared in your conversations. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Make sure you have the latest version of the app installed to access all the latest features. Step 2. Tap the chat icon located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your list of conversations with your friends and contacts. Step 3. Tap on a conversation to enter it. Choose the conversation where you want to view the shared photos. Step 4. Once you are in the conversation, tap on the contact's name or profile photo at the top of the screen. This will open up the contact's profile details. Step 5. Scroll down on the contact's profile page until you reach the section labeled Chat Attachments. Here, you will find all the photos and other media files that have been shared in this conversation. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily view all the shared photos on your Snapchat chat. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to make the most of your Snapchat experience. Thank you for watching.